So in this video we're going to talk about combining like terms with distribution. So essentially what we're going to do over here is we're going to distribute these little portions over here in the parentheses. We're going to get rid of the parentheses, and then we're going to combine all the like terms. So let's start over here. So when we're distributing, we're going to multiply whatever's on the outside by each of these different little sections. Now anytime you see a plus or a minus symbol, that kind of separates into different little subsections. Okay. Alright, so we're going to multiply 2 by negative t. So when we do that, we're going to get negative 2t. And then we're going to multiply 2 by negative 4, and that's going to give us negative 8. Alright, now this one we're going to multiply negative 3 by each of these two. So negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, and then negative 3 times 3t is negative 9t. Okay, so now we have everything all laid out, so now we're going to combine everything with like terms. And that means all the that means all of the constant numbers are going to be together, and then everything with the variable is going to be together, and that's everything with the same variable that has the same exponent. So if you have a t, all the t's are going to be grouped together, all the t squareds are going to be grouped separately, all the t cubes are going to be grouped separately, and so all of these are t to the 1, so we can all group those together. So we have negative 2t minus 9t, and that's going to be negative 11t. And that's where these t's stay constant, so we're just adding or subtracting the coefficients. So that's negative 2 minus 9t, so negative 11t. And then negative 8 minus 15, so negative 8 minus 15, that's going to be negative 23. So put that in the answer, negative 11t minus 23. Okay, so let's, only one. Let's do another one. Alright, so we're going to distribute this negative 2 into both of these terms, and we're going to distribute this negative 3 into both of these terms. And what you got to always be careful for is the signs. The negatives, positives, you got to be careful of those. So negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. And then negative 2 times positive 11a is going to be negative 22a. Alright, and then negative 3 times 2a is going to be negative 6a. And then negative 3 times negative 8 is going to be positive 24. Alright, so we're going to combine all the like terms. And so we have negative 22a minus 6a. So 22, well, I guess we're adding them since they're both negative. So negative 22 minus 6 is going to be negative 28a. And then 8 plus 24 is positive 32. Alright, so on this next one, let's distribute. So we have n, and that's just going to stay the same. And then we're going to distribute this negative 3 to both of these terms. So we have negative 3 times 2n, that's negative 6n. And then negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. And so we combine all the like terms now, since it's all laid out in a row. And we're going to have n, this is 1n minus 6n, so that's going to be negative 5n plus 6. Alright. Alright, a similar thing over here, we have negative z, and that doesn't get distributed anywhere because that's all by itself. There's nothing multiplied to it, so. And then we have this positive 6, that's going to get distributed between negative 5z and 2. And so we have 6 times negative 5z, and that's going to be negative 30z. And then we have 6 times, well, positive 6 times positive 2 is positive 12. So we combine like terms, we have negative 1z minus 30z, so that's negative 31z plus 12. Oops, forgot z. Okay, I think that's good enough. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know.